Bridget, what are you doing today? Do you have some new toys? Are you hitting them? What a good girl. Oh, you're not making your O face, are you? Uh-oh. Are you going to talk to Mommy? Do you want to hear the music again? Okay, here it comes. Is it a smile? Is it a smile? I see a dimple. I see a dimple. Bless you.